Want to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 crashing on your PC? This video will show you the full guide to enjoying the Wild West without interruptions. Let's dive in. First things first, RDR2 crashing can be caused by various factors, including outdated drivers, insufficient resources, or conflicting software. Now, the most crucial step is to update your graphics drivers to the absolute latest game-ready version from NVIDIA or AMD. Use DDU for a clean installation. This often resolves compatibility and stability issues with demanding games. Next, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Go to Settings Greater than Windows Update and install all pending updates. Also, run the DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft's site to ensure DirectX components are not corrupted. You'll want to verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher, Rockstar Games Launcher, Steam, Epic Games. This will repair any corrupted or missing game files. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, revert them to their default clock speeds. Overclocking can cause instability. Also, try disabling any overlays, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Discord, Steam overlay, as they can sometimes conflict with RDR2. Finally, try running the game in administrator mode. Right-click the game's executable, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and check Run this program as an administrator. Experiment with Vulkan Versus. DirectX 12 in the game's graphics settings. One might be more stable for your system. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more RDR2 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.